All right, welcome y'all to the latest edition of Mr. McDonald's, aka the Drip Kings shoe unboxing video series. Went ahead and removed the labels off this shipping, so the ship cardboard box, so you don't have my address, but you can at least see. I finally got one from Nike, not from StockX. So I didn't miss this drop, y'all. So let's see what we got inside. So I'm gonna pause you for a second as I tear this open. All right, so I went ahead and opened it up and slide that box out. So we've got our traditional orangish, reddish Nike box. Spin it to the side and let's see what we got today. We got a Nike Dunk Mid in a dark stucco light bone colorway. So sounds a little interesting. Let's open it up and see what we got. First impression so far. Definitely a different colorway than a lot of my traditional ones. I say that I've got quite a few in this almost olive green color, which they're calling this would be I'm guessing the dark stucco. Since the light bone is probably that white swoosh. What else we got? Feel like the green color is just not labeled. So probably a little hard to see it in this light, but we'll try to zoom in a little bit. So we got almost a gray color around the edge. I would call that a dark stucco in my opinion. This here swoosh is kind of an off-white, so like a light bone. And then we got an olive green, which just doesn't seem to hit the label, but I really do like that olive green. One of my favorite pairs of shoes are an olive green suede edition that I've got at home. Make sure you look for that video. I've got my favorite shoes out of my collection, so currently sitting a little over 50 shoes. And I'll give you my top 10. You know, we'll keep updating that as the shoe collection grows, but one of those in the top 10 is the olive suede edition. So overall, let's take a look. So we got a nice almost see-through gum sole here, or it's not actually gum, it's almost like a rubber here. So that's pretty nice, and it's in a greenish color. Really hard to catch that it's a green with the lighting, but it's a green that kind of goes with this green here in the middle. So it's a nice match here. And so that up against the light bone midsole. We've got a couple of different textures here. So we've got the smooth leather here in the green color. Our swoosh here has a little bit of texturing to it. Again, almost like I don't think that's their snake skin, but it's almost like a slightly cracked leather, very faint. Really, it's the same leather there pattern as the gray. So again, it's a nice texture, nice difference. So not only do you have the contrasting colors, but you got the contrasting material flows as well, from the texture to the smooth. We do have the nice green olive shoelaces. Going up to a kind of traditional Nike tongue. Nothing too special there. Nike inside. Nice, again, matching green liner. Overall, a nice pair of shoes and a unique colorway, I would say. We got the whole 360 going on. Did these come with a secondary pair of shoelaces? I don't see anything down there. Oh, actually, I said that those were olive colored shoelaces. They're not. They're actually the gray color. So they match the gray leather. So definitely a nice look overall. I can definitely see this matching with a lot of my olive colored shirts, you know. Yeah. Go ahead and drop me comments on what you think about these shoes. Do you like them? Do you not? I have a feeling these ones might be a little bit more, some people might like them, some people might hate them. They're different, which is something Mr. McDonald, aka the Drip King, likes, but it's not for everyone. I get it. Just let me know in the comments what you think, what you might want to see next. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications so you know when the next videos drop. Thanks, y'all.